అందరికీ నమస్కారం. First of all, when I come for the press meet before release, this press and media and people, they give me so much love. And then that time I was little feared. Bhayam vachindi. This movie should, at least it should be an average hit, because after so many years I came for the promotions and then I don't know how the result is going to be. But the way you received me, the way you treated me, the way you asked me questions and everything, it was very sweet. It doesn't look like that I came from Tamil Nadu to here to promote my film. It was like, I'm here, I'm in my own place. Thank you so much for giving that comfort, and thank you so much, and I love you. Because wherever I meet Telugu audience, they come and tell me about, sir, we love 96, we love Sandhanam, we love Master, we love Upena. They keep saying something about my film. Thank you so much to the audience and for giving so much of love. And thanks to the great directors who came from my movie. I didn't expect it, sir. That you can come and talk about others' film, and you are so humble and so great. Thanks for everybody for coming and talking about the film. It is very nice to hear, without any ego, with saying good things about others' film. You have a very good heart. I am overwhelmed. I am very emotional. And after so many days, I saw my Bucci. Bucci, I don't know, he's like my younger brother, like a kid. I love him and I respect the way he made the film, the way he wrote it. I'm very happy that he's going to direct Ram Charan film. So I didn't expect that he will come here. It was a surprise for me. I'm so happy. I don't know what to say. I can say only thanks. And I love you. I love you. I love you.
అమేజింగ్ సార్. ఏదైనా ఎక్కువ హ్యాపీనెస్ని ఇచ్చినప్పుడు వి రన్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ వర్డ్స్ కదా. సో మీరు కూడా అంతే, మేము కూడా సినిమా చూసిన తర్వాత అంతే అనమాట. ఇద్దరు సిచ్యువేషన్ ఒకటే.
And then you are doing really great, ma. Thanks.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.